Hey everybody, today we're working on a 2012 Kia Soul, and the customer complaint on this car was when you turn the steering wheel, it kind of clicks around. So what's wrong is inside this electrical motor, there is this steering dampener, and that's what the new one looks like. So what you have to do is you have to get in here. You have to take this lower panel off. It's got two Phillips screws, that comes off. Then there's another metal panel, this one right here. It has two 10mm bolts. Then you have to come in here and there's two studs. There's a nut on this one and a nut on this one. And then there is a bolt that goes through this here. So I usually take these two nuts off. You have to take and separate the steering wheel covers here. And there's one screw from the bottom, and then there's two screws that come in through here and here. I don't take the steering wheel off. I just turn the steering wheel so I can get it. That's one of them right there, and the other one is right there. But see how the steering wheel's blocked? You just steer it around. So most people take and pull the whole thing out. Then you pull these electrical connections out, so we'll sit down here. Most people take and pull this completely out. I don't, because you don't need to. You can get to the motor right here. So now you have to take out this T30, and there's another one back here, and this motor will slide out. And then that little insulator will be in there. Let me get those bolts out. I'll come back and show you what it looks like. All right, I almost have the all the bolts out. This is the last bolt right here coming out. And once this bolt comes out, that's what I was looking for. This electrical motor will drop down, and you can see in there that the insulator has just disintegrated into little pieces of rubber. So we're going to get in there and we're going to clean it out. Here is actually, it turns into gum. So there's the center section. As you can see, where is the new one? Here's the new one. Here, I'll set it down here so you can see it. There's the new one. There's the old one. So we're just going to get in there and clean this all out and put the new one in and reinstall the motor. And this will repair this one. So there's all those pieces that are tore up in there. We're just going to take and clean it all out. So you put the new insulator in, you put the motor back in, and then I always start here and put this bolt in first, which is right here, and then these two bolts, and then put the covers on, and then you're done. It pays 2 hours. It's not easy. It's a little pain in the butt to get to this bolt here. It's a 14mm headed bolt here, and then these are 12s nuts that hold this column in. All right, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos. This was just a very quick one. I already had it partially apart. This pays like 2.1 hours to do this. And since you have to crawl underneath the dash, it's probably pretty worth it. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Have a good one.